Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm vlogging on my phone because I had this whole thing planned out and it just went to crap. So basically I haven't vlogged in a week. I did chop off my hair. My name is now Karen, says my nephew, and because I have a total mom haircut. But I wanted to vlog today. I told Bert, let's vlog today. We do have things that we're gonna do, and right now we left the house like on a whim because Grecia had gone to the bathroom and then she started complaining that her stomach hurt really bad. So we came to the pharmacy to get some medicine for her, and then Bert's mom called that she made food at the I mean, not that she made food at the restaurant because it's a restaurant, like hello, there's always food, but she made a sopita, which is like Bert's favorite, like fideo is his favorite. When he's home, like when he's off from work, she'll make him some. And these past couple times that he's been off, she'll tell him that she can make some, and we're always busy and she like never does. So I'm going to go get my nails done. So he was like, drop me off here and then you can go get your nails done. So we went to the pharmacy. We bought Grecia her medicine, and then I dropped them off, and now I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I have not gotten them done in so long. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. I'm gonna do just like the basic, what I always used to do. I'll show you guys once I'm getting them done, but I have to take out some dinero. We'll see you guys. We're also going to be going to a football game later on today, so that should be fun and exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and then I will see you guys once I'm getting my nails done. You guys, look at this. They look so pretty. Oh my gosh. It has been so long since I have done my nails. They're just perfect. I'm so excited to start getting them done on the regular. So pretty. Perfect, 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 perfect. So now I'm gonna go home. Bert and Grecia are at the house already. He said that she's not complaining anymore of her stomach, so hopefully the medicine helped her some. But I'm gonna go see what they're doing, and then I think Bert's gonna go film a video. I don't know if I'm gonna train today, so if I do, I will be sure to record that for you guys, because I haven't filmed any workout videos at all. And I filmed one last week, but I didn't like the way that it came out, so I didn't upload it for you guys. If I do it today, it all depends how Grecia is doing. If not, then I'll just reschedule for Tuesday or something of next week. Whoa. But yeah, let's go home and see what these kids are doing. Okay guys, so we didn't end up going to work out or film the video like I said we were. Instead, we're on our way to Bert's parents' house so that he can help his dad take out an engine from an old truck, or like from his dad's truck. And then after that, we are going to be going to the football game, wearing purple, because why not? Bert is here. Guys. What's that happening? So yeah, that is what we're going to do, and we'll see you guys minutes later. And we're on our way to Tractor Supply. Yeah.
Building here.
So what are you gonna take?
This one.
What are these?
Walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkies.
Let's look for batteries.
So now we ended up getting Grecia some walkie-talkies because she's obsessed with, like, I guess, like, phones, right? But she doesn't have a phone, obviously, and she always brings us, like, her play phones. She'll bring us one so that we can have it in the, like, in the living room or wherever we're at, and then she'll go to her room and she's yelling at the top of her lungs so that we can, like, talk to each other, but that's the only way we can hear each other. So we went to Tractor Supply just to go see. We're killing time for the, like, to get to to go to the football game, and we saw these little pink ones, so we decided to get them for her, and she's in love with them. But it's 4:30 and we have to be at the football game at 6, right?
What's up?
They have not seen.
What's happening? I was just sending Lynn because we just came to the, like, past the hood, where we're actually going to the hood. They're building another building. I was like, Lynn, that's how long I haven't been with you. But they're almost done with the building.
In the hood where I grew up. Look at the ghosts and the pumpkins.
Lightning strike and tick, boys.
And I think it's gonna rain tonight.
We're at the football game.
We're at the football game. Are you excited?
What's those?
Those are the football players.
Yeah, football players. Are you ready for start?
Huh?
Are you ready for start?
Yeah. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Yes?
My friend there.
Your friends are there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I want to be the bird.
Huh?
You know what bird? Is that from the mouth?
Mm-hmm. Much of it just because I don't want to bore you guys. Copyright, sir. I didn't want to vlog much of it just because I didn't want to bore y'all.
I'm gonna get to the house.
We are gonna go pick up my class reunion shirt, and I still ordered. Has it been 10 years?
This mother sucker. You see me backing up, sir?
Has it been 10 years? Is he gonna hit you or what?
What are you doing, bro? Fuck out of the way.
You're gonna come out cussing and
Okay.
everything.
You stupid piece of shit. Yes.
Has it been 10 years?
If it's
Yes, right? 2020? Oh my gosh. It's been 10 years since I graduated.
2019.
2020. It's next year. That's when they're gonna do the whole...
Then why are you buying shit right now?
Because it's for the game. What?
Mama,
Yes.
I'm in sack and popcorn.
You ate snacks and popcorn?
Yes.
Okay.
I like when the football game
Uh-huh.
over, so we go all. So we was eating,
Uh-huh.
and so we came back.
Mm-hmm.
So we go over there.
Okay.
So we put our together. So we put. That's the jacket on.
Alright. So we'll see you guys. We're gonna go eat right now too. We'll see you guys in a second because you cannot see me.
Like a dragon. Like a dragon.
I'm going to go ahead and end yesterday's video because we went to go have dinner and then we went home and we took a shower and we fell asleep because we had to wake up super early today. So,
Super early. It was like 7 o'clock.
dude, drive safe. I woke up at 6:30. We are gonna vlog today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end out today's video. So sorry if it was like not the greatest. I just want to make sure to like vlog some videos for you guys, and then this coming week I am gonna start posting more workout videos. I'll probably try to record all 3 sessions just because I haven't like recorded any of them. So if you guys are waiting for workout videos, those will come next week. But for now, y'all are just gonna be seeing vlogs